Hello everyone, my name is Godot and welcome back to Godot Basics. Now every single node in Godot, no matter what it is, can optionally have a script attached to it. So if I click my player node here, and I hover over it, I can see that this is a sprite node. We'll go over to the inspector, and we scroll down, we see this category for script, and we can attach a single script to this node. Now we can either drag in a script from our file system, or we can create a new one by clicking this dropdown and selecting New Script. Now, Godot supports languages such as C# or other languages, but it also has its own custom programming language, scripting language, called GDScript. And it's built specifically for game development with Godot, and it makes Godot that much easier to use. Next, you'll see that this script is going to inherit from Sprite. This is going to change depending upon what node type you are attaching this script to. So since we're attaching this script to my player, which is a Sprite node, it's going to automatically inherit Sprite. Next, we can skip down to Path and select where you want your script saved. I'm going to go ahead and click Browse. I'm going to create a new folder in my Resources folder called Scripts. Select OK. I'll name it player.gd, and here is where my script is going to be created. And I'll just hit Create. This will automatically open up the script editor. We can see player.gd right here, and here is the script that it generated for us. We'll also see that scripts folder and player.gd in our file system, which is where we chose to save it. You'll also notice that over here in the scene tree, that our player node now has this icon indicating that a script is attached to this node. You can simply click on this icon and it'll take you directly to the script that is attached to that node.